Well, it's late afternoon over here. To be exact, it's almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And yes, I've done my makeup and I was out and did a little day trip. You guys will see that video. It's so cute. I was in a cute little town called Schlangenbad. Anywho, I was reading because I'm rereading my book. It's a great book, and I had mentioned it before, and it's from Jack Canfield and Mark Victor Hansen, and it's called The Aladine Factor. You guys must get this book. Listen, I want to read this real quick. It's really cute. You will have better business and personal relationships. You train people how to treat you by how you treat yourself. This was a saying from Martin Ruta. Okay, and here they say, a more fulfilling relationship is waiting for you with each person you know and those you come in contact with. You can have more cohesiveness between yourself and your co-workers, and more intimacy at home with those you love. All you have to do is ask. Ask for time, ask for understanding, and ask for cooperation. Asking improves your chances of receiving by 200%. Okay, guys, so reading that, what do y'all think? Are y'all asking? I know I'm asking. Hold up. There's another part in the book that I thought was really cool. I lost the page. Where is it? That's always the case. You're looking for something and then... Okay, 1 second. I'm going to come back. Okay, here's another good part in the book. I found it. Okay, it says, you can't ask for what you want unless you know what it is. A lot of people don't know what they want, or they want much less than they deserve. First, you have to figure out what you want. Second, you have to decide that you deserve it. Do you deserve it? Of course you do. Do I deserve it? Heck yeah, I do. So, are you guys asking? And wait a second. Third, you have to believe you can get it. So you guys already have to visualize and already see it already happening. It's true. Trust me, it works. And fourth, you have to have the guts to ask for it. And that's often the problem. A lot of people are too afraid to ask because they're afraid what the outcome is going to be. Well, if you don't ask, you never know, right? So, I mean, worst case worse, it doesn't work out, but you keep asking until you get what you want, correct? So here they give you the assignment that you should make a list of 101 wishes. So guys, get to writing, write down 101 wishes and start visualizing and seeing it come true. I'm sure it's going to happen. You just have to believe it. Okay? And if you guys are interested in getting this book, trust me, I highly recommend it. It's called The Aladine Factor. And again, it's from Jack Canfield. He has a plethora. Oh gosh, excuse me. He has tons of books on help. So check it out, really. Check him out, check out his books, and get that Aladine Factor. It helped me, and I'm sure it's going to help you. So guys, get to asking, get to writing, and get to believing. You can do it. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to say. It's a really quick video. Bye.